Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create text effect in Photoshop. Let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Then open the Layer panel. Create a new gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all, and change its font. I am using Morganite bold font. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size and position. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and place. I need to remove its background. For that, go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Here I need some manual selection. Follow me in that process. Click on the Select and Mask. Then choose Refine Hair. And hit OK. Then press Ctrl+J. And delete this layer. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size and position. Right-click on it and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Hold the Alt key, and create a layer mask on it. Go to the Brush tool. Use these settings. Make sure the opacity and flow be 100%. And foreground color, white. And apply. Apply the gradient to the text. Follow me. And apply the drop shadow to it. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.